Welcome to London. Sare dunya barbadi hai.
An illegal migrant racked up nearly 1 million views online with a step-by-step guide to crossing the channel on a small boat. A Sun probe has uncovered a series of videos that shows the internet influencer boasting from a 4-star asylum hotel that it was his dream to come to the UK. Last night, Nigel Farage called the video an advert for crossing the channel. The man, known as Alexandra420 online, has 70,000 fans and detailed his perilous dinghy crossing in 8 different viral clips on TikTok. It's thought that the internet star, said to be from Afghanistan, crossed alongside 434 others on Saturday after leaving Calais in northern France at around 4 a.m. His posts began with a 13-second video from the middle of the channel, which showed a French lifeboat alongside their dinghy. The next 16-second clip showed him wearing a bright orange life jacket and pointing to the sky as the boat continued to power across the channel. A third video, bizarrely set to the theme tune of US TV drama Prison Break, showed the dinghy surrounded by massive freight ships, while in a fourth, he dipped his foot into the water while wearing flash designer trainers. The man was taken in by the Border Force and processed at Manston in Kent, before being bussed to a 4-star Crown Plaza hotel in West Drayton, near Heathrow Airport in London. In his 6th video, he gave a tour of his room, which had 2 single beds and a double bed with an ensuite bathroom. Pointing his phone camera at the mirror, the migrant mocked,
خدا که فقط سر ما کدوم گپ کنه دیگه غرق مرق گپا دیمون امکان نداره.
Recalling the crossing, he told viewers how he had left France in the early hours of Saturday, beginning the crossing at 4 a.m. in the morning. The migrant also claimed their boat had begun to deflate halfway through the journey, and that, had British Border Force vessels not picked them up, the dinghy could have capsized.
من میفهم که چی مشکل داری وطندار خوش نداری یک وطندارت خوش باشه؟ شاید تمی احساس که امروز داریم فردا نداشته باشیم.
نداریم طبیعی که نداریم.
Sickeningly, he then encouraged others to stump up thousands of pounds to people smugglers to make the same journey, claiming, quote, being stingy is not good for God, and, quote, those who want to come, this is the best place. He also called living in his hotel a dream.
کس مادرها کشور خوارتان خونیست مادرتان نگویم. کس فروش دوستایی که میخواین بین بهترین جای است زدنی جای است بخی بیا این تو چشم تنگ نباش کسش کشورت با بیت خونیست که تقدر بخیل هستی درست زندگی کو انسان مور زندگی کو 4 تا رفیقت که بگو بیا چون قدر بخیل هستی بخیل بودن با می خدا خوب نیست خود تو میبینی کس فروش که جان خدا در خطر میپرتم خیست میایی.
The migrant later took part in live chats with his followers in the Afghan dialect Pashto, with his fans quizzing him on coming to the UK. Some of his guests appeared to include other asylum seekers in different hotels across the country. One told the influencer, who flashed his purple room keycard to fans, that the Crown Plaza hotel was a nice place. The videos had a combined 870,000 views before being taken down halfway through a second live stream when the Sun alerted TikTok. Reform UK leader Nigel Farage told us, quote, this video is yet another total humiliation for our country. The Prime Minister's soft-touch approach and refusal to address the root cause of the illegal channel crossings has turned the UK into a global laughingstock. This latest video is an advert for soft-touch Britain under Labour. It comes as it was confirmed 50,271 people have now crossed the channel in a small boat since Sir Keir Starmer took office last year. The shameful landmark was reached on Monday when 474 new arrivals were brought in aboard 8 boats. Dozens of migrants have been caught making social media posts celebrating their arrival in the UK. Smuggling gangs routinely advertise their warped services on social media and highlight Britain's multiple pull factors, including plush hotels, a string of perks and discounts, and easy access to illegal black market work. The government operates around 210 asylum hotels across the country, costing taxpayers £3 billion a year. The Home Office has insisted they will all be closed by the next election. The Home Office and TikTok were approached for comment.